Hi buddies, let's see how to read a CSV file. To read a CSV file, the following steps has to be followed. So the steps to read data from a CSV file. Step 1. Type the content in notepad, each value separated by comma. So we have to type what content we require and all the values should be separated by comma. Second step, we have to import a module called CSV. Third step, we have to open a file in read mode, and R is the mode for reading a data from a CSV file similar to a text file. So if the file is already present, it will display the data. If the file does not exist, it will raise an input or output error. So step 4, create a reader object. Syntax is reader object is equal to csv.reader of file, and example k is equal to csv.reader of f. So once you traverse your data, stop your program. So these are the steps to be followed to read the data from a CSV file. So type the content in the notepad. So let's open a notepad and let's type some content separated by comma. So I just give it example as name, class, comma, section. So you can give any data separated by comma. I just give name as x, class as 10, and section as a. So how many rows you want, you can type the number of rows. So name I just give it as yyyy, class is 11, and section is b. So the name I just give it as z, and class I'll just give it as 11, and the section I just give it as C. So you can give any name, any data, and save your file. Go to save as, and in any one of the location. So I just stored the file in E location. So give the file name. What is the convenient file name? I just give it as notes2.csv and save your file. Once you save your file, you can close this or you can minimize it, and you can open your Python. So open your Python to work in your file. So once when you open your Python, go to your script mode. So in a script mode, you just do the steps. In first step, import CSV. So second step, we have to open the file where the file is located. So to open a file, just go to the location where you have stored your file. So it is in my E drive. So the name of the file is notes2.csv. I'll just find where is my file. So click on the file. So click on the file and just open your file. So click on the file. So this is what content of the file. Just right click on it, and there is option called copy. So minimize it and come paste the location here. So just give paste. So your location will be pasted here. So in a quote you mention the location, comma, the mode is R. So we're going to read a file. So it is R. Now the reader object has to be created as mentioned in the step. So k is equal to csv.reader of f. So I just created a reader object. So now just I traverse it for I in k. Now I just give print I. So all the data will get printed from the file. So once you do the traversing, just close the file. So once you close it, save your file. Go to file, save your program with the extension called .py, any file name .py. So you can give any file name .py. I just give it as csv sample.cs.py. So I just give a file name and go to option or run, and just give run module, or you can just give F5. You can see the file has been read. This is how you have to read the content from a CSV file. I hope this video is helpful. Share, subscribe. Thank you.